Hello, boys and girls. We are going to do this sheet together. This is What Sound Is That? And it's going to talk about things that begin with a C and things that don't begin with a C. So I need you to do two things. First, here's our secret words. First, I need you to write your name on your paper. Next, I need you to cut out all of these squares. And I would like you to pause the video while you do that. That way, when you come back and see me, you will be ready for the next part. Okay, so I have all of my things cut out here. Now, we need to look at each of these pictures and we need to decide, does it begin with C or not begin with C? What is this a picture of? This was the first thing on our page. It is pizza. Pizza. Does pizza begin with the C, with the K sound? No, it does not. So it does not begin with C, so that needs to be glued right there. What about this? This is, it might be difficult to see, let's put it closer. This is a crossing guard. Crossing guard begins with a C. For some reason it wasn't letting you see it when I put it closer because of the light on the machine. What is this a picture of? This is a picture of a cab. Sometimes it's called a taxi cab. Some people just call it a cab. Cab begins with a C. What is this a picture of? This is a nest. Does nest begin with the K sound? No, it does not begin with the C. What is this a picture of? It is a bale of hay. Does hay or bale begin with the K sound? No. So it goes in the not a C sound. What is this a picture of? It is a cactus. Cactus. Does that begin with the C sound, with the K sound? Yes, it does. You need to glue it over underneath the C. What is this a picture of? It is a mailbox. Mailbox. Does mailbox begin with the K sound? No, it doesn't, so it is not a C sound. What is this a picture of? It is a candle. Candle. Sometimes we use those when the electricity goes out. Does candle begin with the K sound, with that C? Yes, it does. It goes over under the C. What about this? This is a cupcake. Does cupcake begin with the K sound? Yes, it does. It goes over under the C. And this last thing, what is it? It is a watch. Does watch begin with the K sound? No, it does not. It is not a C. So, boys and girls, if you do not have those glued into place, you need to pick them up one at a time and glue them down. That way you don't forget where they go. So pick up your cupcake, put some glue on the back of it, and then stick it back down. Pick up your cactus, put some glue on the back of it, and stick it back down. And do the same for all of the pieces of paper. That way I can check them when I get them back at school. Thank you for doing this with me and have a great day.